afternoon, guys. So we're here at the triple event of the expo in Iloilo. We have the PhilBex, the IFBex, and then the TLX. So on the left is of course the building and construction. The middle part is for the food and beverages, and then we have the travel on the right side. So we're gonna check out kung anong ari dire, guys. So just in case you're coming in here at the event, so ari dire ang ilang directory panel. You can see all the numbers of the booth niya ari dire. And then sa left side sini is also location sa mga booth niya ni. So halimbawa 218 for instance, no, kung diin si sa may actual nga site, no, dire sa ICC. So 218 is hindi siya numerically arranged, no? So basta mo na siya. So ari dire ang ilang listahan. And on the other side, dire naman is ang ilang schedule of activities, no? So may ari dire nga nakabutang. Of course, after ka mo mag-register dito, masulod ka mo diri sa may entrance na sa may arts diri nga area. They have a stage over there, so siguro kung may mga events sila, so dito na to ang mga gina-held ang mga events, ano. So we have here Flag of Philippines.
Yes po. Flag of Philippines, we are originated from China po. And then this one po is supplier po kami ng mga raw materials like beverage, dessert. And then we have here hoping soup. Ice po siya. And then that one po is our powder. Even machines, utensils, cups, we have.
So yung powder lalagay dun sa loob?
Yes po. I-dilute nyo po siya sa water. And then after that, magpo-pour po siya dito. And then magro-roll lang hanggang maging ice po siya.
So parang, anong sabi mo? Parang halo-halo o parang ice cream?
Yes po. Sa atin po traditional, halo-halo siya. Pero sa Korea, hobingso po siya. Siya po yung ice. Try nyo po.
Konti lang. So ko lang ano. Parang ice nga.
Raw materials po. Jam, syrup, utensils, machines. Ay ma'am, try nyo po. Not sa obese. We are raw materials dyan. If you want po na magkaroon ng certain shop, own brand.
Okay guys, so we're here at Buy and Earn. They have this food processing machines, right? So ito, ano po ito?
Sheeting and cutting para maging
Okay. So parang solid siya, gagawin niyang noodles. Okay. Ito naman is mixer ng
powder po.
mga powder flour. Okay. So nilalagay saan?
Anything sir, pang mix.
Pang mixing lang. Okay. Sa loob nilalagay. Okay. Sige, sige. Well, this one is what? Juicer? Extractor. So, nilalagay yung kalamansi. Okay. Yung iba is meat grinder. Okay. Sige. Yun lang siguro yung importante, ano. So I'm here with Xialin Sales Group. Meron silang special machine. I think this is the, anong tawag sa machine na to, sir?
Label printing, sir.
Ha?
Label printing.
Label printing. So we will do a demo. Besides that, meron silang mga analog na kiluhan, ano, and then the other ones are the digital weighing scales. So we will try to have a demo of the, anong tawag ulit?
Label printing, sir.
Label printing. So it does the same as in the supermarket, na maglalagay siya ng label ng weight ng let's say meat, for example. Okay, so halimbawa ina. So yan, okay. 2 kilograms. Sige. So 2 kilos, for example. Okay. Yan, okay, sige. Q.